Hello everyone. Today is Sunday morning and Sunday mornings are time to ride. So I'm going to meet my friend Orland in Thane, and from there we'll be riding around Yeoor Hills. It's the first time that I'm going to Yeoor Hills. I've never been there before. So I'm pretty excited as I like riding around forest areas like Pari Colony and New National Park. So let's go. Also, I bought these new Royal Enfield Street Ace 2 gloves, and I've been using them for the past few weeks. So I'll be posting a review on these gloves on my channel. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the review. So currently I'm on Eastern Express Highway, and this highway is always special for me. It's quite nostalgic as I learned to ride a motorcycle and drive a car as well on this highway itself. Every Sunday morning I used to be practice. And also when I bought my first motorcycle, this highway was the place where I used to come every Sunday morning, and my friends and all used to ride to Kasara Ghat or Shahpur. You have to be extremely cautious while riding on highways. As you can see, trucks and tempos, they don't drive in the same way, and they're quite dangerous to be close to them. So you have to be very cautious while riding, especially on a motorcycle. So I'm entering Thane now. I'm adding the phone GPS. I need to meet Erland near the Cadbury Junction. There's so many trucks stood on the highway, surprisingly, and it's hot as well. It's very hot. It's around 38 degrees in Mumbai now, just the beginning of March. And here we have Kia Seltos, one of my favorite cars. If I had to buy a car in the recent times, I would have bought the Kia. This, I believe, is an older model, but it's GT line. It's a turbo one. I feel compact SUV cars are best for Mumbai. It's easy to park. So I've reached the Cadbury Junction. Erland messaged that he will leave 2 minutes late. So let's find the shaded parking and let's wait over here. It's scorching hot Mumbai today. So finally, Erland is here. His bike Avenger has some issues, so he's got his older motorcycle, but Bajaj CT100, which my father had and on which I learned to ride. So it's the first time I'm being here, so Erland is leading the way and I'm following him. He said that it's a straight road to Yeoor Hills, so let's see how it goes. Thane has developed so much in the past few years. As you can see, buildings and skyscrapers everywhere. Also, the prices are skyrocketing. You can see the themes of the hills from here. Since it's a straight road up ahead. Here we have reached the entrance of Yeoor Hills. It's very similar to RA Colony. Only the leaves have been dried. It's quite hot. You can get a good view of the hills from here. Yeah, let's ride all the way up. I believe this is a cart section. It's like you're climbing on top, so it's like a cart section, very similar to Khandala. Now having such a road so close to the city is quite good. It's fun to ride as well, and also it keeps the air fresher, air cleaner. Is a better word, I guess. Now we have some twisties over here, some curvy roads, very similar to Khandala. And in the past few months, as I'm not going for long rides, not going to Lonavala or anywhere far out of the city, coming to such a place is really a blessing. And riding on corridors is always fun, especially if you have a much more sport oriented motorcycle like a Duke 390 or an RC 390. Those bikes, are meant for such roads. They dip into corners very easily and are much more fun. Even my FC is fun though, or any motorcycle is fun for that matter. All you need is some riding spirit. And here we have an open gym, an open air gym, but not many people are there. I guess because of the weather, it's very hot. I always prefer calisthenics over weightlifting, as bodyweight exercises emphasize compound movements like your pull-ups, push-ups. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, enhancing functional strength and building a strong and stable core. I lift weights as well, but I always prefer bodyweight exercises over weight training. Poland is well versed with the area. He knows all the restaurants and hotels that are in this area. Olin, by the way, is a sound engineer, a DJ. So he has his corporate shows, weddings over here. So that's why he's quite familiar with the place and all the restaurants. Orland wants to try an off-road trail, and I didn't want to because recently I had a tire, punctured my rear tire a few days back. But why not? Let's try again a off-road patch. Just like old days, Orland and we used to find off-road trails near Morbe Dam, Pelhar Lake, and we used to enjoy every bit of off-roading. And off-road trails are really fun if you have a good bike, a purposeful bike, and the right set of tires. So that's it for today. Poland and I will find a place for breakfast. We'll chill there for some time and then head back home. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you have any feedback for me for this channel for the videos, please drop it in the comment section and I'll make a note of it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, ride safe, always wear your helmets while riding, and ride responsibly. Goodbye.